Hey everyone, if you're a Formula One fan and have been searching for a way to watch live races, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you an easy trick to watch Formula One legally and free of charge. Before we start, I just want to mention that you should follow the instructions in this guide so that you can start watching Formula One right away and without any issues. Let me introduce you to an Austrian broadcasting platform called Service TV that streams Formula One live and free of charge. On top of that, there are also numerous other platforms such as ORF and RTL Zui from Luxembourg, which you can use. However, to make everything simple, we will focus on Service TV in this video. I'll be using it as an example so you can see that this trick really works. Obviously, if you are not from Austria, you may not be able to access the website due to your location. This is because the streaming rights for Formula One races are not available in all countries. So if you straight up went to the website I'm talking about, you may see a message that says this content is not available in your country. Of course, I'm here to show you how to bypass that. So for this, you can use a virtual private network, or a VPN for short, to access Formula One races that are being streamed live on Austrian TV. If you already know what a VPN is for, you may skip this part of the video, but for those who may not know, a VPN is a simple app that you can install on any device, and it will help you change your online location. So if you want to access content from different parts of the world that you would otherwise be restricted from due to your location, a VPN can help. So if you see where I'm getting at, this means that you can change your online location to Austria and be able to watch the Formula One live stream. So please keep on watching so that you can set it up properly. As someone who's a big fan of Formula One, I've been searching for ways to watch the live streams, and I found that only one VPN company really stood out. After testing so many VPNs in the past few years, I found that Surfshark helped bypass the error of getting blocklisted and allowed me to access the live stream. To watch Formula One, go to the Service TV website. It's this website right here. Now, of course, you won't be able to access it because of your location, so I'll show you how it works. First of all, let's go to Service TV. Right now, you can see that I don't have access. So I'll open my Surfshark, search for Austria, and then click connect. Once done, your online location should change. Now for me, it only takes one refresh and it's done. For some, you might have to refresh a couple of times or restart if it doesn't work right away, but that rarely happens and has never happened to me. Connecting usually takes only a couple of seconds and then that's it. So after refreshing Service TV, you can now watch Formula One races live. For Formula One fans, I'll leave my personal link to Surfshark in the description below. With my personal link, you can get 79% off your subscription plus 2 months for free. This means you'll only pay $2.29 per month, which is a great deal that will allow you to watch Formula One races for years to come. This is honestly the most insane deal on the internet, and I don't think you can find it anywhere else. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I hope you have a fantastic day ahead.